Hello, my name is Isabel Camacho. This is going to be my presentation of the minerals of our lives. The 5 household items I have chosen to cover in this video is going to be toothpaste, nail polish, paper, foundation, and also batteries. Starting off with toothpaste, some of the elements that are used in the creation of it are fluoride, which helps fight tooth decay, and then glycerin keeps the toothpaste from drying out. Sorbitol helps hold the toothpaste together. Calcium carbonate helps remove plaque and also surface stains. Sodium glycerin sulfate creates the bubbly foam that comes from toothpaste. Next up in the presentation would be nail polish. The main ingredient that I was able to find was nitrocellulose cotton. This is a flammable and also used for explosives ingredient, which was all I was able to find with nail polish. There wasn't much information that Caroline, talc, carbonate, and bentonite. These minerals are used for either fillers or for also the coating on the paper. Next item on the list would be foundation. The minerals that are used in the creation of foundation are titanium dioxide, which gives the pigment of the foundation, zinc oxide, which acts as an agent to soothe the skin and ease irritation, mica, which kind of makes a shine appearance to the skin, and iron oxide, which gives the color of the foundation. Next on the list would be batteries. The minerals that are used in the creation of batteries are granite, lithium, cobalt, and also manganese. These minerals are used for the safety of the batteries and reliable material that preserve the energy that is gathered from the batteries.